don't you ever, ever, ever sleep with your phone. You have to put your phone in the bathroom. And the reason is simple. I'm not even going to talk about all the studies about how the phone in the room simply next to you interrupts your sleep. I'm going to talk about something that happens when you wake up. So the phone's next to you, right? And you're lying in bed.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And so, the alarm goes off.
And you pick up the phone.
And here you are.
Yeah.
You aren't even vertical yet. And you have just allowed the world news and 1,000 strangers on Instagram to walk into your bedroom. You're checking emails and text messages, and you wonder why you're stressed out and exhausted. You're not even out of bed, and you have put all this other stuff in your brain, which means you are now the last thing on the list. And if you lay there and start scrolling and it activates your stress response.
It absolutely takes longer to get out of bed.
Correct. Mm-hmm. And anxiety is higher for people in the morning, Oprah. If you grew up in a traumatic household, or you experienced abuse, poverty, bigotry, racism when you were little, you had a chaotic experience. If you're waking up in the morning and the first thing you experience is anxiety, it is a sign of stored trauma. That's why a lot of people have anxiety first thing in the morning.
It's stored trauma.
Yes.